Yadiksha. Okay, I'll ask you the first question. What is the meaning of Yadiksha?
So the meaning of my name is visionary determination.
So, do you try to live up to that name?
Yes, sir, definitely.
That's very good. And I'm very happy to meet you once again because I remember you had a wonderful training program here and you made us very proud by clearing SSB once, and I was sure you will wear uniform. For some reason, because destiny is very, very uncertain.
Yes.
So you have to again, refine your performance probably in the SSB. So could you just tell me, being a cleared candidate, you didn't make in the merit, you would have felt very, disturbed, right?
Yes, sir.
So what really happened when you look at it in a retrospective manner? What was your impression?
Okay, sir. So after the merit list was out,
Hmm.
definitely I was upset. But then after a few days, I started introspecting about it. What went wrong?
That's like a leader,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, because some people tell you that you score high in written and you will get merit in. But there were girls who had very high marks in the written. They were also merit out. And some girls had the highest marks in SSB. They were too. So it's a balance between the two, not just one aspect. I introspected about it and I realized that although my performance in all the three areas was good, but I needed some refinement. To some extent, I could have given the same answers, but in a refined manner, in a well-organized manner in the interview. Talking about the psychology test, my stories, I could have written the same stories, but the representation could have been better.
Slightly better more.
Yes, sir. Because if we are getting recommended, so they see something in us, right? So
Definitely you have a spark better than others.
yes, we have something, that is why they are recommending us.
Definitely.
Yeah. So to get into the merit, you just need to refine, and for that I am here because I was here last time, and that helped me get through the process to understand where I should be working and what I should be doing. So I just needed to refine that a little more. That's why I'm back here. And same goes for the GTO also. The same tasks I did properly. I could have implemented my ideas better. I gave the ideas, but I could have also implemented them on the ground before anyone else did, and things like that.
So you have faith in Olive Greens and you are
Yes,
back
sir,
again. I am
definitely.
sure 100% that you will definitely this time going to wear the uniform and make our country proud.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
God bless.
Thank you.